In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Notion with Discord using Zapier. If you're a productivity enthusiast or simply someone who likes to streamline your workflow, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have set up a Zap that connects your Notion account to your Discord server, allowing for updates and notifications to be automatically shared. So, let's dive right into it. First, we need to head over to zapier.com. If you haven't already, log into your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, locate the option that says Plus Create Zap and click on it. This is going to be our starting point for setting up the automation between Notion and Discord. Now that we've got Zapier open, we're going to set Notion as our trigger app. On the Zapier screen, you're going to see an option to select an application. Here, you'll want to choose Notion. After selecting Notion, you'll then have to decide what event will trigger this Zap. In this case, go ahead and choose New Database Item. This tells Zapier that every time you add something new to your Notion tracker or page, it should kick off the Zap. Next, click on Sign In to connect your Notion account. A pop-up will appear prompting you to select your Notion workspace. Make sure you allow access so Zapier can pull information from your Notion. After you've successfully connected, you'll need to choose which specific Notion database you want to monitor. This could be anything from tasks to ideas or projects. Once you've selected the appropriate database, click Continue, then Test Trigger. This step ensures Zapier can pull a sample item from your Notion page, verifying that everything is connected just right. With Notion all set up, it's time to add Discord as the action for our Zap. Look for the little plus sign below the Notion setup box and give it a click. Now, choose Discord as your next app in this integration journey. For the action event, you'll pick Send Channel Message. This choice ensures that every time a new item appears in your Notion database, a corresponding message is sent to a particular channel on your Discord server. You'll need to sign into Discord and authorize Zapier to access your server. Follow the prompts to select the appropriate server and channel where the messages should appear. This could be your general updates channel, a team collaboration space, or wherever else you find it most useful. Lastly, it's time to activate our Zap. If the test has worked, meaning Zapier successfully sent a message to your designated Discord channel, you can click Publish and then turn on Zap. And there you have it. Your Zap is live and working, keeping your Notion and Discord accounts perfectly in sync and you effortlessly informed.